Hey guys, the Scratch Game Jam number 11 is about to kick off. You have 2 weeks to create a game that fits the theme using Scratch, Timberweb, Gandi IDE, or any other Scratch tools. The theme for this jam is deconstruction. Here are some examples of games that fit the theme. Splatoon is a team-based multiplayer shooter game. The game deconstructs traditional shooter mechanics by focusing on ink-based combat and objective-based gameplay rather than direct elimination. It challenges players to think strategically and creatively. Human Resource Machine is a puzzle game that deconstructs programming concepts and logic. Players are tasked with solving puzzles by programming a little office worker to perform specific tasks. Paper Planes is a simulation game where players assume the role of an immigration officer in the fictional dystopia country. The game deconstructs the bureaucracy and moral choices by putting players in a position to enforce strict immigration policies. Players must review documents, make decisions, and face the consequences of their actions. Baba Is You is a puzzle game that deconstructs the rules of traditional puzzle solving. Players challenge the game's rules by pushing blocks with words on them, changing how objects and characters interact. Before you start to create your game, make sure to read the detailed rules on each page of Scratch Game Jam number 11 and join our Discord server to discuss the theme, update devlogs, and play test with other creators. We are excited to see more creative and challenging ideas. Good luck and have fun!